What's up, my beauty babies? It's your girl, Top Notch Faces. If you guys would like to see how I accomplish this everyday soft glam, then stay tuned for the video. Okay, my beauty babies, so jumping right into the look, I already moisturized with my moisturizing lotion by Clinique. And I also use my Becca primer, so we're just going to jump right into color correcting. I'm going to use my Anastasia Beverly Hills palette. I'm going to use that orange corrector in there. I like to get it with my finger, and I like to just tap it on my nose. Any dark spots or discoloration you want to apply this to. And I'm applying it to the line on my nose for my allergies, just like that. And boom, that's it. We're going to move right along to foundation. I'm going to be using my Milani today. I love this foundation. It's really bomb, y'all. Milani, the 2-in-1 foundation and concealer. I am in the shade number 9. I'm going to take a couple pumps of that on the back of my hand. Do probably 2. Okay, y'all, so now I'll be grabbing my body blender, and I like to use this because, baby, it gives you more coverage. It gives you more coverage quick. We don't got time to be here all day putting on no foundation stuff. We're going to just dig into that product and watch this. Stop playing with me. Girl, look, I said we don't have that much time. We got to go to work. We got to go to school. It's date night. You already late. Baby been waiting on you an hour and a half. So this is going to get the job done. You see me? Oh, okay. Come in, babe. I'm on the way. I'm almost done. I promise. Look, see? See that? Target. Target. Target, okay? Okay, y'all, so now I'm going to grab my e.l.f. Hydrating Camo Concealer, and this is satin finish in the shade Medium Sand. And watch what I do with this. Boom. You see that? It's not even a full V. It's just like a little 1-2. It's an L. It's upside down L. Okay? Then I'm going to go on my forehead, down the bridge of my nose, my chin, side of my mouth. Boom. Then we're going to grab our Nicka K's multi-use concealer, super coverage in the shade 10. Forehead. Boom, boom, boom. Cheek. Boom. Boom. Then I like to hit my jawline. Boop. Boop. Then I like to go on the sides of my nose. Boop. Boop. And then we just blend that all out. I like to start with the contour. I'm taking a fluffy angle brush, a small one. Just tapping that in like so. On the sides of my face to my forehead. Doing the same thing over here. My jawline. Back and forth motions like this. And then blending it down so it's blended. Okay. Now I'm taking my body blender and I'm going to hit the under eye area on the side of the nose. Not too high up, because we want to keep that definition in our nose, okay? Oh, I'm just tapping it. Bringing it on the mouth, side of the mouth, chin. I'm going to flip it over to the booty part, and that just wipes it away. It treats it like an eraser, okay? And I'm going to do it on the forehead too, because you don't want the forehead too bright. Okay, blending it into the darker color. Then I'm going to go and do the same thing over here. You want to look up too when you do your under eye. So it's nice and smooth. Then I flip it and just blend everything together. Okay. Okay, y'all, so now I'm going to take my Maybelline Fit Me in the number 20, and I'm going to take a wedge, and I'm going to just dig into that product I put in my cap, and I'm going to look up and press this setting powder right on in. Okay. I probably look crazy, huh? We be making some ugly faces when we be doing our makeup, but it gotta come out right. So, if I'm over here looking like the Grinch, sorry. Okay. So, I'm just pushing that in. Okay. Now I'm pushing into my forehead, sides of my mouth, my chin. Okay, boom. So now I'm going to grab my Maybelline Fit Me in a lighter shade, a number 10, and I'm going to take this and bake with it. So what we did here, this is not baking. This is just setting it, babe. So we're going to take that wedge, and then I'm going to take this on the side of the nose, of the contour, okay? Like so. And this helps keep that contour defined. So, boom. If you hear Cujo in the back barking, please excuse him. All he do is bark. I don't know what's going on with that dog over there. But baby, he barks all day and all night. So I let this sit and I let this bake. Okay, now this is our baking. Hit my forehead. Hit down the nose. Mouth. Chin. Now I'm going to grab my Blk Opl. Ooh, this is a soft velvet finishing powder. Baby, this is my holy grail. This, and I'm in the shade medium. This the one right here. I love this powder, okay? It just makes you look so soft and silky, you know what I'm saying? And smooth. Then I take this little flat top brush. Get that product on there. And then I set the rest of my face. So I go around the highlighted areas. I just set the rest of my face with this. Okay? Oh, like this. Oh, he's racing. Wonder who he's racing. Okay. It just makes your skin so smooth and luscious, boo. You see me? Okay. I'm cute. I don't know about you, but I feel cute. Okay, moving on to the eyebrows. Boom! Live and direct in your face. Okay, so I'm grabbing me a brush to brush through my brows. Okay. It's not much there, but you get it. And I'm going to grab my Opposites Attract palette. I was gifted this. I love this palette. Thank you, girlfriend, for giving me this palette. It's the bomb. And I'm going to go into these colors here. So this color and this color, only because my hair is blonde and brown and all these funky colors, I'm going to just go right into both of those colors. And I'm going to just feather that through my brows. See, the color is turning it. So, okay, y'all. So now I'm going to clean my brows up. I'm going to go back into that Anastasia palette. And I'm going to use this cream little color here. I don't want it too bright today, because we're going for like a more natural glam. And I'm just going in and I'm going to, boom, just carve that brow out. And then I'm going to bring the product down on my lid, okay? So, boom. And then I'm going to blend it out with my fingers. And we're putting this product on the lid because it's going to act as our base for our eyeshadow. And I'm not going to clean up the top. Just the bottom. Like so. I'm going to go back in with that wedge. And I'm going to go right into this setting powder that's already underneath my eyes. And I'm going to share with my friend. I'm going to just pull it right on up there. Okay. And I'm going to do the same thing over here. So we don't have to go back and get any more setting powder. We can just move it from the bottom to the top. Okay. That's how you save some product right there. Then I'm going to grab a large fluffy brush. I'm going to take that same Opposites Attract palette. And I'm going to go in with this brown here. And I'm going to just take a little of this. And I'm going to just put it right in my crease area. Boom. And I'm going to bring it over to the sides of my nose. Okay. Okay, so boom. You guys could be done with the eyes at this point. But this is a really like toned down look for me. So I need to go in and throw me some big old bat wings on just to make this look pop a little bit. But if you guys like this, all you have to do is just apply some mascara and go ahead on about your business, okay? For me, I'm going to prep my lashes for my falsies because, baby, I need some dramatics here. So I'm just letting my glue sit and get tacky. And I use hair glue, the truth, the 30 seconds. Stop playing with me in the comments. Okay, so I use that. I let it get tacky as I prep my lashes for my falsies. So, ooh, the crows is out there crowing. Yeah. All kind of stuff in my background. Now I'm grabbing my lash in the glue and I'm going to just apply it to the band the same way as you would if you was applying some glue to a track. And I know we done all put a track or two in our head, okay? I like to blow it as I apply it. Okay. Ooh. I'm gonna take the mirror and then I'm just going to sit this. Boop. Yeah, see, that made the look not so natural. But, baby, I need a little pop. So, this is how the face is looking. Now we have to remove our setting powder. I'm going to use my LA pro.face and Soft Honey. That's what it looks like. And I'm going to just go on top of that setting powder. And I'm just, like, pushing it into the skin. Just like so. I'm not going to be adding any, like, bronzer or contour today. I'm going to just leave it just like this. As we want to look really soft. Really, really soft. Just looking. This is really soft for me. I know I do the most with my makeup. So now I'm just going to finish off with the lips. And I'm going to be grabbing this NYX lip liner in Auburn. I'm going to line my lips softly. Okay. And then I'm going to grab this matte lipstick in the color Nude Rose. Yes. Poppington. I'm going to take this metallic gloss, put on top. Also, for those that are interested in the onesie that I'm rocking, this is from my girls line. These are back shot onesies. And they're so cute. They have the little tab on the back. You get it. If you want to follow her and go check out her other styles, I will link her page down below. So this completes the look. I hope that you guys enjoyed the tutorial. If you did, make sure you comment, like it, subscribe, and share my video. Also, if you guys have any looks you want to see me create, feel free to leave it down in the comment box below, and I will get those looks out for you as soon as possible. Thanks for supporting your girl, and I'll see y'all in the next video. Wow.